वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे.
Namaste and good evening to our respected Chief Guest, Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Honorable Shri K. Sankar Narayanan, Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Prithviraj Chauhan, Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Rahul Bhai, Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Foundation, Dr. Justice Chandrasekhar Dharmadhikari ji, Chairman, Council of Advisors, Madhur Bhai, Dhiru Bhai Mehta, Dr. R.A. Mashelkar, Dr. Mariamma Varghese, Sudarshan Iyengar, our awardees, Shri G.V. Subbarao, Srimati Snehlata Nath, Srimati Vidya Das, Mr. Jean-Marie Muller, and distinguished guests at the 36th Jamnalal Bajaj Awards function. The awards purely serves the ideals of Jamnalal ji, who staunchly believed in the Gandhian vision and passionately enacted Gandhiji's ideals. These awards are presented to Gandhian warriors who are committed to inclusive development and have devoted themselves to the welfare of the nation. I now invite Rahul Bhai, the chairman of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, to kindly deliver his welcome address.
Our country has great potential. But, Mr. President, the people, I believe, are tired of being told what great potential our country has. They want results. They want outcomes. The nation is going through a turbulent time, be it the economy, the society, or the polity. But friends, in spite of this, I remain sanguine about a prosperous future of our country. When I say so, some of you will say, this is wishful thinking. No. My optimism is based on the youth of this country, on the entrepreneurs of this country and their aspirations.
श्री सुब्बाराव की प्रशस्ति में पत्र। श्री जीवी सुब्बाराव आंध्र प्रदेश के महबूब नगर में ग्राम धन निर्माण समिति के अध्यक्ष हैं और वे बचपन से ही गांधीवादी गतिविधियों में संलग्न रहे हैं। उन्हें भूदान के अंतर्गत महबूब नगर में 20,000 एकड़ भूमि और हैदराबाद में 12,000 एकड़ भूमि एकत्रित करने के लिए भूदान सुब्बाराव के नाम से जाना जाता है। ग्राम धन निर्माण समिति ने बेरोजगार युवाओं को प्रशिक्षण करने एवं सशक्त बनाने के लिए बुक बाइंडिंग एवं टेलरिंग कार्यक्रम शुरू किए गए हैं। जमनालाल बजाज फाउंडेशन श्री सुब्बाराव को रत्नात्मक कार्य के क्षेत्र में उनके असाधारण योगदान के लिए जमनालाल बजाज पुरस्कार एवं यह प्रशस्ति पत्र प्रदान करते हुए स्वयं को गौरवान्वित अनुभव करता है। थैंक यू।
मुझे विश्वास है कि गांधी जी द्वारा सूचित रचनात्मक कार्य, आशय तथा उनके मार्ग आज भी आचरण योग्य हैं। गांधी जी के मार्ग पर चलने वाले साधारण कार्यकर्ताओं में से मैं भी एक हूँ। इस दिशा में प्रयत्नशील मुझे प्रतिष्ठात्मक जमनलाल बजाज पुरस्कार राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी करकमलों से लेना मेरे लिए गर्व की बात है। इस पुरस्कार के लिए मेरा नाम घोषित करने वाले पुरस्कार समिति के सदस्य एवं काउंसिल के चेयरमैन जस्टिस चंद्रशेखर धर्माधिकारी जी, बजाज फाउंडेशन के चेयरमैन राहुल बजाज जी तथा ट्रस्ट के सभी सदस्यों का मैं आभारी हूँ। सभी को धन्यवाद। जय जगत।
Snehlata Nath has been working in the field of eco-development, livelihood and sustainability among the tribal people of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve for around 2 decades. Srimati Nath is one of the directors of Keynote Foundation, which was established in 1993. It has initiated work across 8 centers in the forested injunction of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contributions in the field of application of science and technology for rural development to Srimati Snehlata Nath.
Namaskar, Vanakkam. I am actually from the Nilgiris and I represent some forests and fresh mountain air. Keystone Foundation works there with Adivasi communities on eco-development programs. We are a young and busy team trying to balance conservation of natural resources and enhancing the livelihoods of people. Our journey began with bees and honey in the hills, and our lives got attached to the people who collect them from high trees and cliffs. In a time when development and growth in India is being projected worldwide, making it a global giant, I would like to appeal to all here to keep the needs of the rural communities in mind, communities for whom forests and water is of primary importance, not only for their livelihood but also for their culture.
Srimati Vidya Das for outstanding contribution in the field of development and welfare of women and children. Srimati Vidya Das, Joint Director of Agragami, has been working in the areas of policy advocacy, fighting for the socio-economic and human rights of the tribal people residing in the backward areas of Kalanhadi, Bolangir, Koraput, Raigada districts of Odisha for 20 years. Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of development and welfare of women and children through Srimati Vidya Das.
I feel honored to stand here in front of all of you and accept this recognition bestowed on me by Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation. We must tell the tribals and other poor and in the rural and tribal areas, we must affirm to one and all that this country and its great people are not destined to poverty and misery, that oppression and justice can be dispelled to usher in a bright daybreak of daybreak of peace and brotherhood. We can realize the dreams of our founding fathers, the dream of Swaraj for each and the Swaraj for all. Friends, we need to work together to ensure that there is only one constitution that governs us all. Thank you.
I feel privileged to read the citation in honor of Mr. Jean-Marie Muller for outstanding contribution in the field of promoting Gandhian values outside India. Mr. Jean-Marie Muller, a philosopher and founder of non-violent alternative movement, has been a spokesperson and facilitator of the movement for almost 50 years. His mission is to put forward the specific contribution of non-violence in the everyday life, education, and social and political struggles. The Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of promoting Gandhian values outside India. Thank you.
His Excellency, Mr. the President of India, dear friends of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, ladies and gentlemen, it's with great emotion that I would like to thank you for giving me the Jamnalal Bajaj Award, and it is with much gratitude that I receive this distinction. Cultivating violence means to make a fatality of it, but this fatality is all handmade by men. That's the reason why our challenge is to cultivate non-violence. Otherwise, we must fear our inability to teach hope to our children. Thank you very much for the kindness of your attention.
आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी, सम्मानीय राज्यपाल महोदय, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, जमनालाल बजाज ट्रस्ट के अध्यक्ष श्री राहुल बजाज, सलाहकार समिति के मेरे साथी सदस्य, पुरस्कार प्राप्त महानुभाव, देवी और सज्जनों, सर्वप्रथम मैं राष्ट्रपति जी तथा अन्य महानुभावों का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। मेरी भावना है कि महाराष्ट्र एक ऐसे एकमात्र प्रदेश का नाम है जिसके नाम में राष्ट्र शब्द है, और आज स्वयं राष्ट्रपति जी उपस्थित रहने से ये भावना और उजागर होगी, ये मेरी भी भावना है। सेवा की प्रेरणा होती है स्वयं प्रेरणा, अभिरुचि की प्रेरणा। यह प्रेरणा न भौतिक होती है और न धार्मिक, वह होती है मानवीय। वर्तमान सामाजिक परिस्थिति को बदलने का मतलब है मनुष्य के बीच के संबंध की दिशा बदलना, उसका संदर्भ बदलना, अर्थात जीवन विकास की दिशा बदलना, और उसी से समग्र जीवन के विकास के साथ सामाजिक परिवर्तन के दिशा में आगे कदम बढ़ाना। इसके प्रतीक समाज सेवक होते हैं, उनकी भूमि रचनात्मक विधायक होती है। ऐसे काम बहुत थोड़े लोग करते हैं, पर वे ही समाज का मानस तैयार करते हैं। इसीलिए सेवा कार्य का रिलीफ वर्क नहीं है, बल्कि निराशा को आशा में रूपांतरित करने का महामद्य है, अस्मिता जागृत करने का कल्याणकारी प्रयत्न है। अंत में आज जो राष्ट्रपति जी के करकमलों द्वारा पुरस्कार प्रदान किए, उनके बारे में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि किसी को हो न हो सका उनके कद का अंदाज़ा जो आसमां है, मगर सिर झुका के चलते हैं। इसी भावना से उन्हें तथा आप सबको नम्रतापूर्वक साष्टांग नमस्कार करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय जगत।
A right mixture of civil society action, voluntary action, action by the likes of the awardees that have worked on the ideals and principles of Gandhian thought. Well, that alone will not be enough or sufficient. A right mix of state intervention and action by individuals such as the awardees today, civil society action, is what we're looking for, but that must be the right balance. If one predominates the other, then there would be consequences. So I think, let me congratulate the awardees who have done some outstanding work in their own communities, in their own special field, without waiting for any government help, grant, or any philanthropic contribution, but they've just continued to work in their own ways. And let me also congratulate the foundation for locating these gems and bringing them to light and allowing us to get inspiration from them, from their life stories, their successes, their hardships, their difficulties. But they continue to work irrespective of whether anybody recognizes them, awards them or not. So congratulations to the foundation, those who have worked to put together these awards, and may these awards continue to inspire generations to come. Thank you.
At the very outset, I would like to express my deep appreciation and gratitude to my friend Rahul Bajaj for inviting me to participate in this inspiring function, I would call it. If somebody goes through the life of Jamnalal Bajaj and his relationship with Gandhiji, one would recognize what tremendous influence Gandhiji had on Jamnalal Bajaj and Jamnalal Bajaj had over Gandhiji. I congratulate the organizers of this award giving functions to commemorate the memory of Jamnalal Bajaj ji. Today we have recognized 4 very distinguished, selfless persons who have devoted their lives to the cause of the nations. When I was going through the proceedings and listening to the observations, and particularly the contributions of the awardees today, it reminded me once again how important the constructive activities which Gandhiji propagated is not less important than freedom struggle. Because he recognized the fact that imperialism can never continue to hold for a long time. Courses of civilization has never been determined by the forces of coercion, oppression. Courses of civilization has always been determined by the persons who believe in humanism, who had faith in the human spirit, and who always invigorated the indomitable spirit of the human being. Gandhiji more than often used to say, the best way, I quote, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. I think with this note of great optimism, great hope and aspirations, we can conclude by saying that once again, the award winners will provide us the leadership for selfless sacrifice to the cause of humanity. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for patience.
The awardees and other dignitaries have given us a strong message. Nothing just happens. It must be made to happen. This requires commitment and a will so that we encounter the obstacles and move forward to our objective and still keep going. Forthcoming elections has once again given us an opportunity to choose our leaders and the party or group that would catapult India into the League of Developed Nations. Now for some statistics, ladies and gentlemen. Till date, the total number of nominations we have received for these 4 awards, 3 Indian and 1 international, are 5,157. 5,157, covering virtually all the states across the country and 50 countries for the international award, from which we have selected 137 awardees, like the Honorable President said, and the Chief Minister said that it was quite an exercise to choose the worthiest of the worthy. So we have selected till today 137 awardees who are from 21 states and 14 countries. On behalf of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Honorable Governor, respected Chief Minister, Chair of our Advisory Council and a living embodiment of Gandhism, Justice Chandrasekhar Dharmadhikari, esteemed awardees, trustees, council of advisors and selection panels of the JB Foundation, the media, the hall management, and each and every one of you for appreciating, honoring and applauding the achievements of our awardees and keeping the flavor and fragrance, sanctity and spirit of our event sustained. Jai Hind.